Hello, in this video we are going to learn how to increase chunk size for related CI in Progressive View. This is the Smart IT ticket console where I have created an incident as a test previously. So I'm gonna open the incident in order to show you the number of records related to this feature before the change. So go to configuration item, relate configuration item, search for the item we want to relate. In this case, we are going to use SQL. Search for it. As we can see here, Smart IT tool is showing only 50 records. I'm going to scroll down and show you. So after this, we are going to close this view. Now I'm going to the classic remedy in order to show you the number of records expected to see in Smart IT. So go to Asset Console and search for SQL. The list is going to show me around 70 records, so I'm going to modify the setting from Smart IT in order to see those 70 records. In order to do that, go to Developer Studio and locate SHR related item search DLG form. Once the form is located, go to SV related items view, and after that, go to this tab. This panel is the one we are going to modify. You have to go to Properties, then Display, and locate the size of chunk setting in order to modify it. Size of chunk setting is used for pagination in table. When set with value other than 0, we show table rows in pagination of that value. Example, 10 means we show records with 10 per page. However, if we set the value to 0, then it will show all. This all again is constrained by max rows attribute of table and also several limit specified by max entries per query setting. By default, this is set to 0, so you have to modify as required. In this case, I'm going to set 60. Set the number and save changes. So the panel we have modified is the next one. Is configuration item panel with ID number 301260800. After this, we have to minimize the Developer Studio view and go to the mid-tier configuration tool in order to do a flush. So perform the flush. This is going to take a few seconds. After that, go back to your Smart IT, refresh the browser or log in and log out, and search for the incident again from the ticket console. Open the incident and perform the same actions. Go to configuration items, then relate configuration items, search for SQL. Now the list is displayed and scroll down. As we can see here, Smart IT tool now is showing more than 50 records. Now it's showing 70 records and also is displaying more views like this one. So after this change, and if you want to set it back, you have to go to Developer Studio again, locate the same form, go to SV relate items, then select the panel, the same panel, configuration item with the same ID, locate size of chunk setting, delete 60 and add 0, save changes. After save changes in Developer Studio, you have to minimize it and go to the mid-tier configuration tool in order to perform the flush again. So do the flush. This is going to take a few seconds. After this, go to Smart IT again, refresh your browser, search for the incident, and as you can see, Now it's showing again 50 records. Do the search based on SQL, scroll down, and there it is, 50 records again. Thank you for watching this video.